Hey guys, Marla here. Hope everyone's doing good. Today I have a super exciting item to share with you that I picked up from my friend Rhoda on Instagram. Her Instagram is Nifty Crafty Me, and she also has another account where she sells her kits and sequins and different fun crafty things, which is the Happy Little Corner. Definitely check both of those out. I'll leave the links below. So she posted, she's also a crafter, and she posted that she made this journal from Sweet Story by Maggie Holmes the other day, and I immediately commented if she would sell it because I don't know, I was just like taken by it. It's so, oh my god. Anyways, now I have it and it's so amazing. I literally, looking through it, it made me want to cry because it's so special, and I don't know, it's just something about it. You could tell she just put a lot of love into it, and it's just amazing. So let me share with you guys. This is the front, the little bow, and this super cute charm dangle that she made. Hope the lighting's good. My filming skills are not the greatest. So it's like a traveler's notebook, and I can't wait to print some photos and share summer memories in it. So here's the charm. And it's all sewn. Like, it's all paper and trims and different things, and it's sewn. So there's that side. She's going to be making more and selling them, so definitely subscribe to her, follow her on Instagram, and see what's coming up. So look at this. It's just so amazing. There's lots of like clips and dangles and fun stuff. Look at this. Little cactus. Some tags here with some acetate. Some ruffle trim. And it feels really sturdy, like she, the sewing with the 2 pages, it just makes it the perfect thickness. I'm just going to stare at this every day and touch it until I fill it up. So see, everything's sewn instead of being glued. I love it. And all this beautiful pom-pom trim. This is a little tuck space. Love the strawberries. And look at this over here. She made a little frame where I could slide in a photo here, so it's sewn all around and then open at the top. And look at the stitching. Pretty. And this little kind of book page marker, I love this idea. So cute. And this tab she's sewn. Some more beautiful pom-pom trim. I'm just obsessed with this. Look at this. It's like an embossed glassine bag. What a cute idea. And then I could put like little tickets or things in there from what I have going on this summer. Paper clip. It's fun paper. And then this clip is holding this super cute acetate frame that she made. Love it. Definitely share her some love because she's amazing. Like the kits and her crafts and the sequin mixes, everything is put together so thoughtfully. Keep on being you. Another little tab. This is probably my favorite part besides the charms and sewing and everything. This is acetate, and she sewn the zipper onto it, and then it looks like she just, you know, included it. I don't know, it's hard to explain. I don't know how she did it, but it's a little pouch. Isn't that super cute? I love, love, love that idea of it. They're not all gonna have the pouch, but they'll have different elements to them. Look at this charm. It's so summery and cute and fun. I hope the colors are picking up. And look at this. Oh my God, this fabric. She did a pleated trim out of fabric. A nice gold, rose gold binder clip holding another cute charm, of course. And then this little ephemera. I love mustard. So amazing. I hope, and her little name, I hope this video gives it justice. I mean, you know how that goes. You kind of have to see it in person. But this is beyond what I thought it would be. So I hope you guys love it like me. Definitely check her out, and I look forward to your comments and watching all your videos and your Instagram posts. It's been keeping me positive during all this craziness. Well, have a good day, everyone. Take care. Bye.